old-fashioned, just like the uncles would have done it. We had some pictures, and they had more like the pot stills that are on the other side. And we have a new still that we just had made in Portugal, and it's coming in May. And so everything heats up here, and then the alcohol vapors come over here into the condensing unit, and then the hot water rises, and then it goes into this trench in the back.
Is it active currently or just a display?
Huh?
This is just a display, right?
No, these are the ones.
It's working? Looks really fun.
This is where we age everything and ferment it here. So that's the first place all the ingredients go. It sits, and then from there it comes over to the stills themselves. And then when it drips out, then we put it into the stainless steel containers. So. Do what? Yeah, we do. Yeah, so we age it. Whenever we're aging it, we just take it, put it into the barrel, and then we just put the barrel aside for 3.5 years or 4 years.
Take what you need from the ladies and me. There ain't no words. Sad comes song.
Well, welcome to Sledge Distillery. We're very excited to have you here. You've arrived at our little place in the country where we welcome people to taste our home done spirits. We try to use as many ingredients as we can from local sources, and we make spirits the way that my father-in-law did them in World War II. And it was a passion project because we found his recipes after he'd passed away in his World War II footlocker. And we just thought it was so cool, and we gave it a try and found out that they're really good. And so Mark and I, my husband and I, own the distillery with our very good friend from actually high school and even before that at Gary Cooper, and it's just a fun thing, and everyone that works here, we went to high school with them, and we just get together on the weekends and invite people out to taste them, and then we go back to our real lives, if you will, Monday through Friday, and then we come back in again and try it. So I'm glad that you made it out here.
ادي 105 بقى اسمها.
مش كان؟
It's 105 proof. That's very strong. ادي حاطط palm tree and whiskey. We'll have whiskey at our tomorrow.
Those are all the nice ones.
Even for people that don't drink whiskey. So yeah, that is super strong. It's 105.
Yeah, that one was way more strong. This one is more like, more like
It's sweet and it's like
more calm.
pecan pie in a bottle.
If you're down and confused and you don't remember who you're talking
It says
to,
Miller.
concentration, look away, 'cause your baby's so far away.